Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the problem, which is that the Wi-Fi is connected to your device but can't provide internet. But before that, if this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, to fix the problem, just go to your settings and here you need to click on Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi which is connected to your device, just open that, and here you will see the option for IP settings. We need to set this on static. As you can see, firstly it was set on DHCP, which we need to change on static. Once you set it on static, here you will find the option for DNS1 or DNS2, which we are going to change. So just click on the first one. We are going to set this on 8.8.8.8, and just we are going to change the second one as well, and this is going to be 8.8.4.4, and then just hit on OK. Once you do that, just get back from settings and turn on your airplane mode, and now restart your PC by using your power button. Once you reboot your phone, just turn off the airplane mode and turn on your Wi-Fi. Now you can go and check if your Wi-Fi is providing internet or not. If it is, you can just repay me by subscribing my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.